Ever wondered how Apple's latest AI features in macOS Sequoia can elevate your photos to a whole new level? Today, we're going beyond the basics and exploring the incredible transformation power of Sequoia's new cleanup tools in the Photos app. Get ready to see just how effortlessly it can remove unwanted objects, refine details, and bring your photos to life in ways you've never seen before. To start with Apple Intelligence, as of now, macOS version 15.1 requires you to request to join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. I did it and got approval. So now, in my system settings, I have Apple Intelligence enabled. Here, you can click on Learn More to get guidelines on how to use Apple Intelligence, including with writing tools, Mail, Messages, Siri, Summaries, and the Photos app. This includes the Cleanup Feature Guideline. Firstly, let's try the new AI search feature. Go to the Photos app and select your library. In my library, I have some images related to bridges with different captions. For example, this one is marked as a normal bridge. This one as a black bridge. And this one as a yellow bridge. Let's test the search feature with natural language support. So, I type in the search box, bridge toward the sea in yellow color. And here we have the image I wanted to find. To start with the AI photo cleanup, open the Photos app, search for and double-click on the image you want to edit, then click the Edit button in the top right corner. On the right-hand side, you'll see some adjustment options. The Cleanup button is at the top. The first time you use the tool, it requires a download, so let's wait a bit. Once it's ready, you will see the AI automatically identify other people in the picture who are not the focus of the image, and you may want to clean them up. By clicking on each one, the AI will automatically regenerate the missing background based on the relevant objects around the cleanup object. And here is the results. Wow, very cool. Let's try with another image. I will find an image with multiple people in it. Let's try to clean up the woman on the right side to see how the AI works. In this case, the woman is the focus of the picture, so we need to manually select the areas related to her to clean up. At first try, it's not perfect. The background is regenerated incorrectly. We'll need to brush the areas that don't look good. After several tries, it's better now, but still needs some regeneration for certain details. The AI doesn't work perfectly in this case, right? So, if you have any tips for this cleanup, please share them in the comments. Let's try with a cartoon image. I'll try with this one. So, I want to clean the tree first. The mountain still doesn't look good. It's good now. Now, let's try with the stone. Perfect. How about the cloud? Very easy, right? So, it works perfectly with some kinds of images like this. Now, let's look at some real-life use cases for Apple Intelligence. For example, if you're a photographer, you can use the cleanup tool to remove distractions from your photos, making them more professional. Or, if you're organizing a family photo album, the AI search feature can help you quickly find specific photos based on descriptions. These tools can save you a lot of time and effort. I have a fun challenge for you. Try using the cleanup tool on a photo with a busy background and share your results in the comments or on social media with the hashtag Apple Intelligence Challenge. Let's see who can create the most impressive edits. That's a quick look at the Apple Intelligence features in the Photos app on macOS Sequoia. These tools are powerful but still have room for improvement. Which other AI tools have you used that can do the same or even better? Please share in the comments. And remember, this is a built-in tool available in your macOS without any extra cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.